In this short video, I'm going to walk through the mobile app, and this is going to be done from a patient perspective, how they download the app from the App Store, the initial settings for the app, and general everyday usage. So firstly, the patient has got to go to the App Store and they've got to type in Haven Pharmacy. There are other ways to get to the App Store. You could send them a link in an email and that link will bring them through, or they could take a picture of one of the QR codes we sent through to you. Equally, that'll bring them through to the App Store. So I'm just going to press download here. Once the app is downloaded, I click open, and the app must be configured for first use. So there's a couple of things that the patient is going to have to do, and the app will walk them through this. The first thing to do is to enter a PIN to protect their information. I'm just going to put in a PIN number here and confirm the PIN number. Press next. It's then going to ask me to enter a patient in, so I'm going to just put in patient, my own name here, and leave that date of birth and put in an address, and lastly a caregiver. And a caregiver, if it's a hospice environment, it might be a nurse, it could be a parent, and click done. So now that I have that done, you see a little green bar on top, it's moved over, and that's next. I'm then asked, can the app actually access my location? It's asking this information because we geolocate the different Haven Pharmacy stores that are up in the app, and we locate the closest ones to where that person is. So I just click allow, and once I do that, I see a list of Haven pharmacies that are currently on the app. In this case, I'm just going to pick Haven's Pharmacy Berks in Macroom and select that. And once I do that, the actual app will align itself to Berks Pharmacy in Macroom, all of the content, Facebook, Seamus Berks website, all the details associated with that pharmacy. Plus then there's an individual portal that he has access to for all the patient information. So once I press OK, that'll bring me through to a normal notification that comes through from Apple or Google. Can the actual app, the Haven Pharmacy app, send through push notifications? And I press allow in this instance. This is the main or the home screen for the app. There's a variety of different features on it. There's the branding elements associated with Haven Pharmacy. There's a setting icon which is on the top right hand side of the app. It looks like the gear icon on the top right hand side. Then there's prescriptions button, a dose reminder button, messages and information button, and I'll walk through each of those. First, I'm just going to go through to the settings button on the top right hand side. In the settings, a patient can change certain aspects of the app to suit themselves. On the top, there is notification preferences. The patient can opt out of marketing messages coming from the pharmacy. Default is opt-in. The patient, if they click on manage patients, it allows them to enter in additional patients or to edit patients who are already in the app, or indeed delete a patient and add new ones. And then there's change store, so the patient can actually decide to change store. Maybe they're going on vacation, or maybe other reasons they want to change the store, and then they can select a new store. There's also privacy policy and information about the app. When the patient presses the prescription button, it brings them through to a screen which details any previous orders and allows them to enter new ones. In this case, we're using it for the first time, so this screen is empty. To enter a new script, I can either press the plus button on the top right hand side or press new order. So I press that, it brings me through to a page where I can enter the actual prescription details. So the patient is a drop down menu. There's multiple patients. They can pick any one of these patients. Medication name, I'm going to just put in aspirin here. How often does the prescription repeat? I'll add in 30 days. If I want to add in a photograph of the prescription, I can do so here, and it'll appear in your pharmacy portal. So attach a photograph. I'm going to do that from my gallery because I have one uploaded. So that's uploading now. As a patient, I can then get to select the delivery method. In this case, I want it delivered. Pick the delivery address. The payment method, again, it's a drop-down menu. You've set that up when we were developing the app for you. And then if the patient enters a note, they can do so. Done. And then they press submit order, and the order is sent through to the pharmacy. When the patient presses the dose reminder button, it brings them through to a screen in which they can enter various reminders for the medications. So again, they press the plus up here, they pick a patient, they add the reminder for which medication. I'll put in aspirin. I want to do it 1 tablet, and I want to do it, I can pick daily, weekly, recurring, or in specific dates. So let's say I want to do it daily and I want to take it at 9 a.m. Done. And I want to add it in the evening as well. So I want to do 9 p.m. and done. So I've got 2 reminders to take that medication, add the reminder, and a dose reminder will have been created. And at 9 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock in the evening, I'm going to get a reminder to take those medications. The messages button brings the patient through to any messages that have been sent by the pharmacy to the patient. The messages can be marketing messages that get sent through by the pharmacy. They can be reminders to submit a repeat prescription. They can be messages that you send through to the patient about picking up the prescription or that it's ready. Or, for example, if you want to communicate delays or other such information related to that prescription, these will all appear in here. Finally, the information button. These are details about the pharmacy, any details that you have, staff, opening hours, phone number, email, address, Facebook,